Let's talk about corn oil, the hidden fat inside every yellow kernel. Corn oil is extracted from the germ, the tiny nutrient-packed heart of the corn kernel. The germ is just 10 to 14% of the kernel's weight, the rest is mostly starch and fiber. That means it takes mountains of corn to make a single bottle of oil. Unlike olives, corn isn't bursting with oil, so industrial-scale processing is a must. After all that work, you get a clear, mild, neutral-tasting oil, perfect for letting other flavors shine in the kitchen. Corn oil isn't flashy, it's the reliable workhorse, ready to fry, bake and blend without stealing the spotlight. When you see a bottle of corn oil, picture endless fields of corn and billions of kernels, each holding a tiny droplet of fat. This oil is a direct product of one of the world's most important crops. It's a story of turning a staple grain into a versatile fat. Corn oil is a testament to human ingenuity, extracting value from every part of the food we grow. From humble seed to global commodity, corn oil's journey is remarkable. It's not just a bottle on a shelf, it's the result of massive agricultural effort. Next time you cook with corn oil, remember the fields and the science behind it. That's the real story inside every drop. So, how do we get oil out of that tiny germ? It starts with wet milling. Corn kernels are soaked in warm water to soften them, making it easier to separate the germ from the rest. The softened kernels are ground into a slurry, then spun in giant centrifuges. The oil-rich germ, being lighter, floats to the center and is skimmed off. After drying, the real extraction begins. The old-school way is mechanical pressing, squeezing the oil out with massive pressure, but most corn oil today is made using solvent extraction. Dried germs are washed with hexane, a solvent that dissolves the oil. The oil-hexane mix is heated. Hexane evaporates and is recycled, leaving pure oil behind. This method captures over 99% of the oil. It's efficient, industrial, and ensures almost nothing goes to waste. From soaking to spinning to squeezing or dissolving, it's a high-tech process. That's how we turn a tiny germ into gallons of golden oil. The journey from kernel to oil is a marvel of modern food science. The oil that comes out is crude, dark, cloudy, and not ready for your kitchen. Refining transforms it into the clear, stable oil we know. First, degumming water or acid is added to clump up unwanted gums, which are spun out. Next, neutralization. Sodium hydroxide reacts with free fatty acids, forming soap that's washed away. Then, bleaching. The oil is filtered through natural clays to remove color and impurities. Finally, deodorization. The oil is heated under vacuum and blasted with steam to strip away odors and flavors. What's left is a pale, neutral, stable oil, ready for high-heat cooking. Each step removes something unwanted, leaving behind pure, versatile fat. The result? A kitchen staple that's reliable, consistent, and nearly flavorless. This refining process is why corn oil works so well for frying and baking. From crude extract to golden clarity, it's a transformation powered by science. The next time you see that clear bottle, remember the complex journey it took. That's the magic behind every drop of corn oil. Corn oil is a modern invention. No one squeezed oil from corn until the 20th century. Before that, animal fats like lard and butter ruled the kitchen. Corn oil emerged as a byproduct of the cornstarch industry, then took off thanks to clever marketing. Brands like Mazola promoted it as a clean, scientific alternative to animal fats. Its big break came with the diet heart movement, as people sought cholesterol-free plant-based oils. Corn oil's high smoke point made it perfect for frying, and its neutral taste made it its favorite for home cooks and food manufacturers. Affordable, reliable, and heart-healthy corn oil became a household name. It changed the way America cooked. Crispy fries, golden chicken, and more. All without the smoke or strong flavors of old-fashioned fats. That's how corn oil became a kitchen staple. What's actually in corn oil? For starters, zero cholesterol. It's 100% plant-based. It's high in vitamin E, an antioxidant, and rich in polyunsaturated fats, especially omega-6 linoleic acid. Swapping saturated fats for corn oil can help lower LDL cholesterol, but there's a catch. The modern diet is overloaded with omega-6s and short on omega-3s. Too much omega-6, without enough omega-3, may promote inflammation, a concern for heart health. The refining process also strips away some beneficial nutrients, leaving a pure fat, but fewer antioxidants than less processed oils. Corn oil is stable and versatile, but not as nutrient-rich as extra virgin olive oil. The key? Use corn oil in moderation and balance it with omega-3 rich foods. It's a useful fat, but not a nutritional miracle. Enjoy it as part of a varied diet. That's the real nutritional story behind corn oil. Corn oil isn't just for frying, it's a true multitasker. In cosmetics, it softens and moisturizes without feeling greasy. It's used in soaps, lotions, and hair products for smooth texture. Corn oil is also a feedstock for biodiesel, turning waste into renewable fuel. It finds its way into paints, inks, and even rubber and plastics as a drying agent or plasticizer. The leftover germ meal feeds livestock and fish, ensuring nothing goes to waste. In food manufacturing, corn oil's neutral flavor makes it perfect for mayonnaise, salad dressings, and baked goods. It's the invisible backbone of many products, both edible and industrial. Next time you shop, remember, corn oil is everywhere, not just in the cooking aisle. Its versatility is unmatched. In the global oil market, corn oil is a major player, especially in the US, where corn reigns supreme. It's not the biggest oil, but it's vital, thanks to America's massive corn industry. Corn oil competes with canola, sunflower, soybean, and olive oil, each with unique strengths. What sets corn oil apart? Its high smoke point, neutral taste, and steady supply as a co-product of corn processing. Unlike other oils, corn oil's price and availability are tied to markets for starch, ethanol, and animal feed. It's a product of efficiency, maximizing every part of the corn crop. Corn oil's journey from germ to global commodity is a story of innovation and abundance. It transformed a humble grain into a versatile fat that powers kitchens and industries. While nutrition debates continue, corn oil's reliability and versatility are undeniable. It's a quiet giant in our food system, proof that even the most ordinary crops can have extraordinary impact.